back to my channel. In today's video, I am sharing a what I eat in a day video with all of you that is filled with gut healthy food and also food that is high in magnesium. In case you are new here, hello and welcome. My name is Marissa, and here on my channel, I share all about gut health and different wellness tips. So if you are interested in those topics, then definitely consider subscribing to my channel. But in today's video, I really wanted to share foods that were gut healthy, but also high in magnesium. Lately, I have been trying to be super intentional about including magnesium-rich foods into my diet. Magnesium has so many important roles in our bodies, you guys, and I'm gonna list some of them right here. But without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started with today's video.
Good morning, you guys. So if you've seen any of my other what I eat in a days, then you know that oatmeal is a personal favorite of mine to have for breakfast. I have it pretty much every single day, except for maybe like a day or two on the weekend. So I'm just cooking that up in some water. And now I'm just slicing up half of a banana to go on top of it, because I always like to add some sort of fresh fruit. And then I'm also adding a little bit of some ground flaxseed right in there. And then I just like to, you know, stir it in there. I can never taste it or like tell that it's there. It just adds some extra protein and fat and magnesium. And then I'm also putting in some chia seeds, which has kind of been a new addition lately. And I really have been enjoying it. I always love having oatmeal because I feel like it like just coats the lining of my stomach, and I just feel like my digestion is so much better for the entire rest of the day. It just really seems to work well for me. And then I like to add in, you know, the flaxseed and now the chia seeds because it gives me extra fat. But the flax seeds also have magnesium in there. The oats have magnesium. The banana has magnesium and healthy carbs. And then I'm also adding in some nut butter. You know, I love my peanut butter, and that also has magnesium in there as well, along with, you know, healthy fat and protein just to help me stay full longer and give me some great energy that I can use when I go to the gym. This just happened to be a gym day that I was filming this, so I even had like a little post-workout snack that you'll see in just a moment. But anyways, so the next thing is just put a little dash of cinnamon, and then I've actually been putting a little dollop of maple syrup right on top, just a little bit, just to kind of give it a little extra something, a little extra flair, because, you know, why not? And it just makes it taste so good. So here is the final product, and then I also had my decaf tea on the side. And then before I drink my tea and have my oatmeal, I try to have some water. So I'm going to fill this up and drink this before I have my breakfast. When I get home from the gym, I usually need some sort of a snack. So today I am having a smoothie. So I'm just putting in the rest of the banana that I didn't use from my morning oatmeal. And then I put in some fresh ginger and some baby spinach. And then I put in some ground flaxseed and a big spoonful of almond butter, which tastes so good. And then a dash of cinnamon and some almond milk. Then I finished it up by adding in a couple ice cubes so I can get this to be nice and cool and refreshing. I did this because the banana was not frozen to begin with. Then I blended it up, and now it is all good to pour into my cup. And I just love the gorgeous green color that the smoothie has, and it tastes amazing, you guys, so you definitely should give this a try. And then for lunch today, I had a salad. So what I typically do is just prep it the night before so that I don't have to worry about making it on the day. So it has some romaine lettuce, it has some spinach, some red bell peppers, cucumber, red cabbage, and blueberries and strawberries. And then I topped it with a little bit of chicken that I just sauteed in my frying pan with just some spices like garlic powder, onion powder, and some Italian dressing. And then I topped the entire salad with some sunflower seeds and some pumpkin seeds. I love the crunch that they both give, plus the pumpkin seeds and the sunflower seeds are high in magnesium. And then the dressing that I used was a homemade Italian dressing.
Hey everyone, so it is later on in the day and I am hungry and I want a little snack. So I'm going to have a yogurt. This is my favorite brand of yogurt. It's Siggi's. This is the blueberry flavor. I like pretty much all the flavors, but anyway, so this is the yogurt that I'm gonna have today. I like that it has multiple like healthy probiotic bacteria in there, and then the quality of the dairy is really, really good. So anyways, they do have like a plant-based line just in case you don't eat dairy, but I find that I don't have any issues with this particular dairy or whatever. So anyways, I got that, and then I'm just gonna top it with some granola. I made this yesterday over the weekend. And so it's just got oats and like a bunch of nuts and seeds and some maple syrup and coconut oil. So anyways, I like to make my own granola. I don't really like to buy them in the grocery store. I find them, one, too sweet for my personal liking, but I also find that they're really hard on my teeth, and I almost feel like it's just like, I don't know, it's just, my teeth are a little sensitive. I just don't like that. So anyways, I just make it myself and I don't have that problem. So anyways, I'm just going to get my yogurt and top it with this. Hey everyone, so it is time for dinner. So as I am cooking dinner, I am just sipping on this, which I just showed. I love this drink. I sometimes have it in like the afternoon. It's like a little energy boost. But anyways, so I'm just having it now. So it is the Mommy Boost juice that has apples, carrots, beets, ginger, limes, and spinach. And I get this from Whole Foods. Just kind of saves me a step than having to juice it myself. And I've shown this in like my grocery haul video before. And then I just put a little bit of that because it is, you know, pretty sweet. And then I just fill up the rest with seltzer. And definitely always look at your ingredients on everything, you guys. I found some seltzers out there with some interesting ingredients there. So anyways, this one just has carbonated water, which is what I want. So anyways, so there we go. So I'm gonna have this and keep cooking. I am roasting up asparagus and sauteing some potatoes. Gonna have a kale salad and then some roasted salmon. So I will show you guys what it all looks like when it's done. Alrighty, you guys, so here is my dinner. It looks so good. I have some roasted asparagus, I have a kale salad, I have some sauteed potatoes, and then some roasted salmon. The salmon is great because it's got a lot of omega-3 fatty acids. The kale has magnesium, and so do the walnuts here. The asparagus is really good to help with your gut health. And then the potatoes, I left the skin on, and that's gonna give it a lot more magnesium. So anyways, here is my dinner. Alrighty, you guys, so that is everything I ate today. I hope that you enjoyed it and got some fun inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a big thumbs up. And if you have any like future, video suggestions that you want me to potentially cover, then just leave those down in the comment section. But otherwise, I'll see you in the next video, and I hope you have a good night. Bye.